Seed oils. You find them in everything from salad dressings to potato chips. But recently, these ubiquitous oils have become the center of a heated debate. Are they healthy staples or hidden dangers lurking in our pantries? This controversy focuses on oils extracted from seeds like soybeans, corn and sunflower seeds, not oils from olives or avocados. Critics claim these industrial seed oils contribute to inflammation, heart disease and other chronic illnesses. Proponents argue they are valuable sources of essential fats and have been unfairly demonized. So, who is right? This essay will explore both sides of this complex issue. Let's delve into the history of seed oils, the science behind the claims, and ultimately empower you to make informed choices about the fats in your diet. Seed oils haven't always been kitchen staples. In fact, their journey to our tables is a relatively recent phenomenon, intricately linked to industrialization and advances in food processing. Before the 20th century, traditional fats like butter, lard and olive oil dominated kitchens worldwide. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. New technologies allowed for the mass production of cheap, shelf-stable oils from crops like soybeans and corn. These vegetable oils, as they were cleverly marketed, were a far cry from the traditional fats they replaced. Their neutral flavor and low cost made them attractive to both consumers and food manufacturers. However, this shift towards industrial seed oils coincided with a dramatic rise in chronic diseases, fueling questions about their role in our modern health crisis. The early to mid-20th century witnessed a massive marketing push promoting vegetable oils as healthy and modern alternatives to traditional fats. These campaigns were everywhere, from TV commercials to magazine ads, all touting the benefits of these new oils. Saturated fat found in animal products like butter became the villain, blamed for heart disease and obesity. Health brochures and public service announcements warned against its consumption. Vegetable oils, rich in polyunsaturated fats, were positioned as heart-healthy heroes. Labels proudly displayed heart-healthy claims, and cooking shows demonstrated their use in everyday recipes. The low cost of these oils made them accessible to a wider population, further solidifying their place in our kitchens. Families on a budget found them to be an economical choice. Government dietary guidelines reflected this shift, recommending a reduction in saturated fat and an increase in polyunsaturated fats. These guidelines were widely distributed and influenced public opinion. This advice, coupled with clever marketing, cemented seed oils as the go-to choice for health-conscious consumers. Advertisements emphasized their benefits, making them a staple in many households. However, the science behind these recommendations has since been called into question, with many experts now arguing that we may have demonized the wrong fats. Ongoing research continues to explore the true impact of these dietary changes. Critics of seed oils argue that their high omega-6 fatty acid content and susceptibility to oxidation contribute to inflammation, a key driver of chronic diseases. Omega-6 fatty acids are essential for health, but excessive intake, especially when out of balance with omega-3s, can promote inflammation. Modern diets, laden with seed oils, have significantly skewed this ratio, tipping the scales towards pro-inflammatory omega-6s. Furthermore, seed oils are highly refined and prone to oxidation when exposed to heat, light and air. This process creates harmful free radicals, further contributing to inflammation and cellular damage. Critics argue that this chronic, low-grade inflammation fueled by seed oil consumption sets the stage for diseases like heart disease, cancer and Alzheimer's. Polyunsaturated fats, not all created equal. While it's true that all seed oils are high in polyunsaturated fats, not all polyunsaturated fats are created equal. Seed oils are predominantly composed of omega-6 fatty acids, while other plant-based oils, such as olive oil and avocado oil, are richer in monounsaturated fats. Our bodies need both omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, but the key lies in their balance. The ideal ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 is thought to be around 1 to 1 or 2 to 1. However, the typical Western diet, heavy in seed oils, has skewed this ratio to a staggering 10 to 1 or even higher. This dramatic imbalance contributes to the inflammatory state that characterizes many chronic diseases. Oxidative stress. The heat is on. One of the primary concerns with seed oils is their susceptibility to oxidation. Oxidation occurs when oils are exposed to heat, light and air, causing their chemical structure to break down and form harmful free radicals. Seed oils, due to their high polyunsaturated fat content and the refining process they undergo, are particularly vulnerable to oxidation. When we consume these oxidized oils, they introduce free radicals into our bodies, leading to oxidative stress. This stress damages cells and DNA, contributing to aging and the development of chronic diseases. Choosing oils with greater stability, such as olive oil or avocado oil, can help mitigate this risk. The evidence, mixed results, and ongoing research. The debate surrounding seed oils is fueled by a complex body of scientific evidence that is often contradictory and inconclusive. Some studies have shown associations between high seed oil consumption and increased risk of heart disease, while others have found no such link, leading to ongoing debates in the scientific community. It's important to note that many of these studies rely on observational data, which can be influenced by confounding factors like overall diet, lifestyle, and genetic predispositions. More robust, controlled trials are needed to determine the specific effects of seed oils on health, providing clearer insights. Additionally, research is ongoing to understand the long-term implications of consuming high amounts of omega-6 fatty acids and their impact on inflammation and disease, which could have significant health consequences. The answers are not always clear-cut, often leading to more questions than answers. And more research is needed to fully understand the nuances of seed oil consumption, ensuring public health recommendations are based on solid evidence. Expert opinions, navigating conflicting advice. The controversy surrounding seed oils has led to conflicting advice from health experts. Some nutritionists and doctors remain cautious, recommending limiting seed oil intake and opting for more stable fats like olive oil and avocado oil. Others maintain that seed oils are safe and beneficial when consumed in moderation, emphasizing their role as a source of essential fatty acids. This lack of consensus can be confusing for consumers seeking to make healthy choices. It's essential to approach dietary advice with a critical eye, considering the source of the information and the potential biases involved. Ultimately, the best approach is to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods, enjoy a variety of healthy fats, and listen to your body's individual needs. Healthier alternatives embracing traditional fats. If you're looking to reduce your seed oil intake, there are plenty of healthy and delicious alternatives. Traditional fats like olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and butter are all excellent choices for cooking and drizzling. These fats are more stable at high temperatures and offer a rich source of flavor and nutrients. When cooking, opt for extra virgin olive oil for its robust flavor and antioxidant content, or avocado oil for its high smoke point. Coconut oil is a great choice for baking and sautéing, while grass-fed butter adds richness and depth to dishes. Incorporating a variety of these healthy fats into your diet can provide a range of health benefits and enhance the flavor of your meals. Finding a balance, your plate, your choice. The seed oil debate highlights the complexity of nutrition science and the challenges of making dietary choices in a world of conflicting information. It's important to stay informed and critically evaluate the sources of your information. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term health implications of seed oils, it's clear that balance is key. Moderation and variety can help mitigate potential risks. Instead of focusing on demonizing specific foods, prioritize a holistic approach to eating. Embrace whole, unprocessed foods rich in nutrients and flavor. Cook at home more often, experimenting with new recipes and ingredients, and enjoy a variety of healthy fats which are essential for your body's functions, including those from both plant and animal sources. Listen to your body and its signals. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, both physically and emotionally, and make choices that align with your individual needs and preferences. Personalize your diet to suit your lifestyle. Ultimately, the best diet is one that nourishes your body, supports your health, and brings you joy and satisfaction.